Good morning, everyone. Today we're going to study the past tenses. Past tenses, we have the simple past, past continuous, past perfect, and past perfect continuous. I wish you will like the lesson. And now let's take a look. The past simple, the action started and ended sometime in the past, but the time may or may not be mentioned. Le temps, on peut donner le temps ou on ne peut pas donner le temps, c'est pas grave. The negative form is formed by did not or didn't plus the infinitive. And we have two kinds of verbs, regular verbs, which we added ed to them, and we have irregular verbs. You must learn the list. Examples, regular verb as work, we say worked. Verbs ending with e, we added just the. Live, lived. Verbs ending with y following a consonant, we change the y to I. Before adding ed, example, try, tried. Or if the verb ending with y following a vowel, as the example say stayed. We don't change the y to I. If we want to change the y to I and we added ed, we have to the verb have to be end with the y before a consonant. Yani il faut avoir y à la fin du verbe et avant y on a une consonne. That's why we change the y to I and we added ed in the past simple. Irregular verbs, we have to learn the list because we have a lot of irregular verbs, as for example to be in the simple past is was or were, have, had, do, did, see, saw, take, took, drive, drove, speak, spoke, write, wrote, get, got, give, gave, come, came, learn, learned. We have a lot of verbs. That's why you should learn the list. The simple past in general is talked about an action which passed. Past continuous. In the past continuous, we use it to mention that an action started and continued for some time in the past. It started in the past and continued for some time. The past continuous is formed by was or were plus present participle. Yani on forme ce temps avec was, were plus the present participle. What is the present participle? It's verb plus ing. Present participle, c'est le verbe plus ing. Example, I was reading. We have two types in this tense. Type 1, interruption of an action with another. Yani, l'interruption d'une action avec une autre. Yani, on a deux actions dans cette phrase. Yani, we have the first one and the second one. In the example, he was watching TV when the door knocked. First action, we have past continuous with the black color. On a une couleur qui est noire dans ce exemple. And in the second action, we have the simple past. Type 2, two actions in the same time. We have two actions in the same time. Example, I was doing my homework while my brother was cooking. In the first tense, we have past continuous, and the second one, past continuous. We don't change the time because we have two actions in the same time. On a deux actions dans le même temps. Et je suis en train de faire quelque chose et mon frère ou mon père ou ma maman, elle est en train de faire quelque chose. On est tous les deux en train de faire ce qu'on a à faire dans le même temps. نركزوا على هاد القضية هادي. And the first type, c'est une interruption d'une action avec une autre. Now, past perfect. It is used when we want to make it clear that one thing happened before another in the past. First action before second action. Là, on a une différence. Past continuous. قلنا عندنا إما type 1 l'interruption d'une action avec une autre, يعني القطيعة ديال شيء بشيء آخر, ou deux actions en même temps, أو لا جوج الأشياء في نفس الوقت. Past perfect, it's different. First one before the second one, يعني on fait une chose et après on fait la deuxième chose, يعني une action avant l'autre. First action before second one. The rule is had plus the past participle, as we have in the examples. Past perfect continuous. Past perfect continuous, it's different. This tense is used to express something that started in the past and continued until another time in the past. يعني c'est une action qui a commencé et a pris du temps avant de finir. يعني toute l'action est dans le passé. The rule is had plus been plus present participle. We have three examples. Affirmative one, he had been standing at the bus stop for 30 minutes. يعني هنا le temps il a commencé pour un exemple مثلا à 8 heures et il a resté jusqu'à 8h30. يعني 30 minutes. Had you been waiting for a long time? Here we have an interrogative form. They hadn't been exercising at the gym. Here we have a negative form. Interrogative form, we always begin with the auxiliary. For example, had, have, do. L'inversion de sujet دائما. You have to remember this one. That's the past perfect continuous. I wish that you will enjoy the lesson and understand it. See you next time and take care of yourselves. Goodbye.